Someone asked me yesterday, Dr. Debbie, is it true once a cheater, always a cheater? And I said emphatically no. And before you get angry with me, there are some people who betray and they have no intention of changing. I'm not talking about them. And I'm also talking about the reason why you may feel that way because you've experienced repeat betrayals. That's a clear sign of an unhealed betrayal. So that betrayal keeps coming around because there's a huge lesson that needs to be healed. I am not suggesting it's your fault. It's your opportunity. Maybe the lesson is you need better boundaries in place. Maybe you need to realize you're lovable, worthy, deserving, whatever it is. Until and unless you get that, you're going to have opportunities in the form of people to teach you. But I see every single day, we have, of course, we have our programs in the PBT Institute for the Betrayed, but we have our Rebuild program for the betrayer. And I see every single day, these are people who they woke up. They woke up, they were disgusted with who they were. They realized they blew up their families. They shattered the heart and the trust of the very person or the people that were counting on them, that loved them, that trusted them, that believed in them. They don't like who they've been and they're ready to change. Now, if you're questioning this, haven't you ever changed? Is it possible that there was a version of you that no longer exists because now you think differently, you act differently, you behave differently? I know after my betrayal, there is very little left of me from beforehand. And it's possible that, and we see this, with our coaches, with our members, as you move specifically out of stage 3, I always talk about the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough, leaving stage 3, moving to stage 4 and 5, you're making new rules, new boundaries. You're actually creating a new identity based on who you're ready to become now. So if the person who's been betrayed can create a new identity, so can the betrayer. So for those of you who are wondering, is it possible? Yes, it is. Now, it's not necessarily the big gigantic things you're going to see. It's the little things. It's the little things. If that person would normally get defensive and now they're empathetic, if they wouldn't let you know, where they're going and now they do. I mean, there are so many little daily things that you notice to know that someone is in fact changing. So the question, can someone change? Yes, they can. Yes, they can. So reach out for more if this can help you. Follow for more and hope that helps.